Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are exploring a very creative and satisfying art made from simple things that are often thrown away. Seashells, pistachio shells and different types of seeds. These natural materials can be turned into beautiful art, flowers, decorative pieces and even gifts. The best part? They are affordable, eco-friendly, and perfect for kids and adults alike. And many more benefits like that. So viewers, so grab your material and let's dive into the world of shell and seed art. Let's begin with seashell art. If you have ever visited the beach, you have probably collected seashells as a souvenir. Instead of keeping them hidden in a drawer, why not turn them into art? Pistachio shell as well. You can use seashells and pistachio shells to create photo frames, mirror borders, as we shown you in picture, wall hangings, candle holders, jewelry pieces, decorative flowers. Start by cleaning the shells properly, wash them with water and let them dry completely. Next, arrange them on cardboard, wood or canvas. Try different patterns before gluing them permanently. For example, small shells can form flower petals while larger shells can become the center design. You can paint them in bright colors or keep their natural look for a beach-inspired aesthetics. Seashells art brings a peaceful ocean vibe into your home. Now let's talk about pistachio shell art, one of the most surprising DIY trends. After eating pistachios, most people throwing away the shells, but these tiny shells can become stunning artwork. First, wash the shells to remove salt and dirt. Let them dry. One of the most popular pistachio shell craft is making flowers. Take cardboard or a wooden base and start gluing the shells in a circular pattern. Layer them carefully until they resemble a rose or flower. You can paint them red for roses, yellow for sunflower, or any color you like. People also use pistachio shell for wall decoration and also making Xmas tree, jewelry boxes, greeting cards, candle decoration, mini sculptures. Many more designs you can make easily. By the way, it's amazing how waste materials can turn into something beautiful. Next comes art, seed of beans, lentil, rice, corn, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds can all be used in creative projects. Artists arrange seeds to create portrait, landscape, abstract art, and decorative patterns. First, sketch your design on paper or cardboard, then carefully glue different seeds based on their size, shape and color. For example, rice for fine detailing, beans for bold patterns, lentil for filling spaces, sunflower seeds for texture. Seed art require patience, but the final result looks incredibly unique.